Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is kind of a little bit late because we're already at the beach and I didn't start it at home because we were in a rush. We were supposed to leave the house by 3. We didn't leave till like what, 3:30, 4? No, I think we left at 3:30. We got Pipi right here, say hi. And we're walking to the water right now because the boys are in there. They already got all the way in. Today we're just having a little beach day at Huntington Beach. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Go!
Alright, fool. Ready to get in there? Alright, right there.
Nah, y'all gonna be fucking.
This nigga just playing, that's why.
I could that take a nap right here.
Get out.
Dry already. Oh!
Okay, go. Look at you, Anthony. You look like a fucking sand monster. Guys, the boys already got out. They're just changing in the cars.
What's up, my niggas?
Going on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fuck. Whoa, we on YouTube. I got Scooter tomorrow. Bro, where's my fucking shirt at? Hey, keep passing my white Pro Club in there?
My bitch Paul is nasty.
Thank you, Pa. You tripping on me? What's the fuck? What's up, bro? I'm trying to change this shit. Listen, you still trying to get in the water or what?
I know, nigga, what the fuck? I made
Are
them.
those sweats or shorts?
I made these hoes. They're the new style.
The jorts are, I mean, sweats and shorts.
The sweats.
They're shorts.
You're gonna go there?
They're shorts. Look at the fit.
Is it on?
Yeah.
It's been on this whole time.
I didn't show them my fit. Show them my fit. So we got this tube top from Victoria's Secret. We got these pants from Aeropostale. Okay guys, I put my sweater on because it's cold already. And we're really just waiting for it to get dark so we could use these little bit of woods we have.
We're gonna go get more. Wait, you can zoom in?
Look at our matching sweaters. What happened?
I don't know. I'm about to level up, nigga. I'm about to level up.
Oh, shit.
Just doing shit at the beach.
I know these
Yeah, it's like real shit right here.
Yeah, chill out. That's gonna work. This is the biggest it's gonna get. Hey, get close, guys, get close, get close.
Burn the fucking chair with it.
Sacrifice that chair.
Sacrifice that little ass chair. Put your socks in. Yeah, don't do that. Look at these stinky ass socks about to fucking turn this bitch on.
Whose socks are those?
My done.
Who would not change out of them? Whose shitty ass shoes are these? Let's put them in.
I fucking knew it. Guys, wait, can you not put on the socks, bro?
No wonder it's stinky.
My shirts are not stinky.
It's gonna fall. The stick.
That's good.
That's good.
It's in there, bro. Mine. I want it burnt.
Like a water.
Wow, it's gonna.
Wow, no, wow.
No, put sand on the end of the slab. Put sand on it. Put sand on the end of
Put sand on it. Oh, put sand or water or some shit.
Dad, don't scare me like that, bitch.
Put sand. But Anthony, look, throw sand on it.
No, because then it won't start again.
It's gonna start up.
Actually?
Yes. What chips?
Oh, I burned my finger.
That's all you're gonna give them now? Just 2 little pieces. Tell them that's fire starter.
Make a little tent. And we have like Dr. Eric.
Okay, guys, so they were just helping them start their wood because they didn't bring wood starter, and that's all we have. So we took them some so that they could start their fire. And look at our little figure. It's a little bit cute. Little bit cute. Little man.
I started a fire for that whole family, nigga. Damn homies.
Alright, fellas, go to the triangle.
Damn homies, nigga. I started a big ass fire for that bitch.
Oh, we got wood. We got wood.
We got motherfucking wood, nigga.
So we got wood from them and we gave them a wood starter. So I feel like that was very much fair. Now our so we're doing some more.
I thought you guys said it didn't turn
So
on.
Anthony's gonna do it for me. Guys, we're just eating some s'mores. We've been making s'mores for everybody. Like, damn, can't even eat my own.
She's laughing a little too hard. Like, what? Like, your feet ain't stinky too, nigga.
So currently it is 8:22, and I think we're gonna leave soon, and we're gonna go eat In-N-Out all together. So yeah, this is vibes right now though. Everyone just here at the bonfire. Is this like chill vibe right now? Right? Okay guys, so we just picked up and we're about to head out.
I got you, nigga. I got you.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat at In-N-Out, and I'm not sure which one we're going to yet, but we're going, and I feel like so like I want to take off this makeup.
Look at staff work.
Staff on duty. Go eat.
We are you?
Okay guys, so we just got to In-N-Out. We're about to order, and then we have to go eat outside though. We literally pulled up to one and it was drive-through only, so we went to this one now. And yeah, we're about to just order some food.
We're about to eat some In-N-Out. I didn't want this shit, but we're still here.
Why did you want it?
No, we back here literally like a motherfucking cherry in the dead homies.
Alright, and Katie is a little bit cold. A little bit cold. Look, there you go.
But
You should have.
young boy, they gonna kill you.
It's a
Guys, so they're waiting on the food, but we just got our food. I got a cheeseburger, he got a double. Okay guys, so we're gonna show you when everybody gets their food. Robert and Katie are right there. Guys, say hi to the vlog.
Oh, but he's the bad one if he goes outside.
And
Like what?
then we're gonna eat.
Exactly.
Gotta put some spread for the
I
viewers.
don't know what I just ate, but it was nasty. There you go with that piggy shit. First I wanted Chick-fil-A. Just wanted Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Fuck you guys, bro.
Bean over there, and my brother over there, munching. They don't want to talk to us right now. Oh yeah, let me get everybody actually.
Like the one video of me in Palm Springs when I left.
Look at that posture. Over here too. Oh my god.
Okay. So we all finished eating, and then we're about to go home. We just
What's up, homie? Talk this shit.
Take a sip. That's a good girl.
Don't be playing with him like that. Fucked up.
okay, guys. We're gonna go pick up Kian, and then we're gonna go drop off Bean, and then we're gonna go home. Look at how they got me right now. Record me right now. They do swerving. Okay. Okay, guys. So we just dropped off Bean, and now we're going home. So that's the end of my little vlog, little beach day.